Blistex Lip Medex External Analgesic, Lip Protectant 0.25 ounces pack of 6. Blistex Lip Mede External Analgesic, Lip Protectant 0.25 ounces, pack of 6, by Blistex. Blistex helps lips restore healthy moisture balance. Cooling relief. Lip Medex medicated ingredients deliver a noticeable and immediate cooling action to provide fast relief from the hot, itching sensations that accompany sore lips. Relief for dryness. Lip Medex provides a special barrier that helps lip cells return to their natural moisture balance. Blistex Lip Medex is formulated to provide quick cooling lip relief you can feel working. Camphor 1%, Menthol 1%, Petrolatum 59.14%, Phenol 0.54%, Beeswax, Benzyl alcohol, Diisopropyl Adipate, flavors, fragrances, Lanolin, Menthoxypropanediol, Microcrystalline wax, Myristyl Myristate, Ricinus Communis seed oil, Castor, Saccharin, Theobroma cacao, cocoa seed butter. Top reviews from the United States. Cured cold sore. This is the best lip product ever. I used to have swollen lips every month or so, and I've tried every product possible, and this is the most effective, and it's the cheapest too. Ever since I started using this, my lips never swelled again. Thank you for this amazing product.